Fuck. I am so done with bolt connectors on batteries. They fucking suck. Because they always corrode, at least on lead acid. Okay, so it's not working. Huh. The rivets are spinning. Oh, there's some moisture that got in there. That makes a bit more sense now. Ugh. I'm just going to clean up the bit that I bent on this part, and that should be good. Just realized I have some shorter screws which work much better, and I forgot the spring. Well, that's not dangerous at all, is it? Nice. Oh no. I guess you got water in here, because that's not good. Water's everywhere. Well, I hope the carburetor's not flooded with water. I'm probably going to replace the tires on this someday, at least the rear ones. Although I know I've said that for the past 7 years, so it's actually become really easy to just put slime in there, and then it's good for 2 years. I forgot the strap. I think that was very obvious to you and not very obvious to me. Oh well. So I didn't actually want to make this video because this year's mowing is a bit complicated. I wanted to use my scythe and my reel mower to mow the yard and use my new workshop to fully restore the propane mower and not even have to deal with all this like barely keeping it working shit. And I was going to go to the scrapyard, get metal and take it all apart and re-weld the deck and everything. But then the other mowers that I thought I had working broke on me. See, the idea was I was going to use the reel mower or the scythe to like supplement or like replace the propane mower, at least for now, while I'm restoring it. But the scythe I've pretty much fully restored, except for the fact that I'm trying to sharpen it with a flat stone or a file, and it's just not getting sharp enough to really do a perfect cut. I need to find somebody with a big round grindstone that I can just lean it against and just like put a bunch of weight on it and get a really nice grind on it. But I think I can get it with the flat stone. I just need to work on it more, and it's going to take a lot of time because every time I try it, it does get sharper and sharper to where now I can cut like 25% of the stuff that I put it through. Now I got this reel mower last year and I really like it. Definitely going to restore this. But I thought that it would actually work long enough to be like the last restoration. Until this happened. That was a real shame. And this video is also a bit about, or at least this day, is also a bit about cleaning up the yard, because the yard was really bad and then it became a construction site for the workshop, and it needs to get even better now. And so I'm working on slowly cleaning it up more and more, and especially getting all this wood taken care of. I only have a few more moldy boards left. So, evidently the sprocket was like a stainless steel of some sort, and the welds that I did didn't hold. Okay, they held for like 3 years, but still, or 4 years actually. But those welds definitely had issues, and I should have welded on here, but I didn't. Oh well. I could do it again, but stray cats are so cute. Oh my god, these little fixes I'm doing today are just getting worse and worse. If I'm not mistaken, I'm half-assed fixing someone else's half-assed fix from a half-assed fix from a half-assed fix from a half-assed fix. So I had dinner and I had some time to think, and this propane mower, I don't want to have to use it this year. I want to use the real mower, but it's in bad shape. So the yard can go a couple more days or a week or more without being mowed, and I can focus on restoring that real mower. So I'll make the 3-part series. First, restoring the metal, which I'll do tomorrow. I'll take it to my friend's workshop and have it sandblasted, and I'll repaint it In the next video, I'll just go ahead and dig out that lathe and turn a piece of wood. And then the final video, I will sharpen the blades and do whatever else. Oil it and grease it. Oh, in the second video, when I make the when I turn that part, that'll also be the video where I'll restore the wood. So yeah, that's good enough for this video, I think. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya.